Hello again. Today I've got an ERA Big 6. I've had it for a wee while. My intention is, following Baldilocks on YouTube, I'm going to try and make a 2-in-1 pick. Over a wee while I've been collecting the sort of bits and pieces I need to do it. But I'm going to have a shot at this with this. You're going to use the pick wire that I got from Andy Mac, and also this was one I made a while ago following Andy Mac's videos, and it just so happens that it fits this, so we're going to have a wee shot. So let's just show you that it all works. It's all locked up nice and tight, and hopefully, I'm trying to talk a bit more. I know it's only like a third video, but I've noticed it's a silent movie, so I'll do my best. I don't even like the sound of my own voice, so I don't know why anybody else would. So all I can do is just go up and down the levers and just nudging them. And I've noticed doing this one before, you get a wee a turn just before it gives, so, or before it opens rather. There's a wee click there, so I know, pretty sure we're not far away. I say I'm just really starting with levers. I still think it's more luck than judgment really for me, so, but maybe I'm talking too much now and I can't concentrate on doing it. But what I have found is, ever since trying to do some YouTube videos, it actually spurns you on to try and improve your picking and practice more, because you want to get a video out. This is, believe it or not, the longest this has taken, so there we go. That took a wee bit longer than the first video I made of it, where I hardly said a word again. But anyhow, there you go. I hope you enjoyed that one. I've got another couple of things coming in the post, which the wife doesn't know about. So I'll need hope I can sneak them in the house, and then hopefully manage to pick them and make other videos. Thanks again for watching. Bye.